Alright, I'm gonna show you how to buy. So looks pretty bullish right here, and then yeah, let's buy some. And right click, sell. Let's see, then go 50. Going lower on the profit is in the bottom, but it's gonna go 50. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. Nah, rejected. Come on. Come on. It's something gonna hit. Cause like the level 2 is bringing it up. It's gonna hit. Ah, rejected. There it goes. Come on. Hit. And I made $5. That's how you do it. Still pretty green overall. So all you do is buy like 100 shares. You think it's gonna go up, go down? We need like $4,100. I think cheaper will be like calls and puts for the $3. But you also play the QQQ or SPY. This is like a 0 day or something. Let's see, it's 8 days. See what's going on. So it's pretty bullish. I'll just go calls. I always put limit order. And I go calls. Let's make it like 5 cents. Nah, make it 70. Let's see if it goes. Pretty bullish. Four, two breaks. Broke 54. Next falls for 54.40. $60, 61. Parabolic today, I guess. So 66. No, two's went higher, so Going higher and higher. Come on. There I'm out. Maybe 19, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.